lost in the tide. Lonely streets where shadows hide. Empty promises, whispered lies. Search for hope in barren skies. Silent echoes call my name. Cursed heart wrapped in flame. Wander through a world so cold, seeking warmth in stories untold. I promise you will find a way through the night into the day. Hold on tight, don't let go. In the dark, our love will glow. Fallen stars crashing down on this worn and tired ground. Questions linger in the air. Is there anyone who cares? Blurry faces in the mist, forgotten moments we once kissed. Time slips through our fingers fast. Grasp the future, leave the past. Promise you will find a way through the night into the day. Hold on tight, don't let go. In the dark, our love will glow. Promise you will find a way through the night into the day. Hold on tight, don't let go. In the dark, our love will glow. Promise you will find a way through the night into the day. Hold on tight, don't let go. In the dark, our love will glow. Cold nights, no comfort left. Empty streets, ghosts of theft. Silent screams in my head. Dreams collapse, wishes bled. Echoes of you linger still. Your name echoes a bitter pill. Shadows where light used to be. Heartbreak so relentlessly. Almost over you, but not quite there. Holding on to memories of thin air. Almost free from the fallen grace, but your shadow still haunts my space. Time crossed, slow ticking away. Fading echoes come what may. Lost in a maze of past regret. Still tangled goes on, so they say, but my heart's in disarray. Empty streets, the echoes call. In my mind, it's you I find, still so close, yet out of time. Stars above, they paint the sky. Lonely heart begins to cry. Memories like ghosts, they say, holding on to yesterday. Dreaming of you in the dark, lit by just a single spark. Lost in a whisper, soft and true. Every breath is filled with you. Dances on the sea, takes me where we used to be. Frozen moments, warm and bright, carrying me through the night. Fading whispers, gentle sighs, all our moments never die. In the dream you stay so near, wipe away my silent tears. Dreaming of you in the dark, lit by just a single spark. Lost in a whisper, soft and true. Every breath is filled with you. Fading whispers, gentle sighs, all our moments never die. In the dream you stay so near, wipe away my silent tears. Dreaming of you in the dark, lit by just a single spark. Lost in a whisper, soft and true. Every breath is filled with you. Bloodshot eyes in the morning light, walking through the remnants of the night. Echoes of yesterday still in my mind. Saw the wreckage when I crossed the line. Footsteps heavy like a sinner's weight, chasing shadows through a broken state. Questions unanswered, never asked, searching for the truth behind the mask. Constantly on this endless loop, round and round in life's cruel scoop. Caught in a dance of push and pull, constantly chasing dreams so full. Whispers in the dark tell no lies, faded promises under scarlet skies. Heartbeats heavy with every lie told, living nightmares from stories of old. I scream alone in the empty streets, lost somewhere where the shadows meet. Eyes wide open, but I'm still blind, trying to leave this chaos behind. Constantly on this endless loop, round and round in life's cruel scoop, caught in a dance of push and pull, constantly chasing dreams so full. Chasing dreams so full. Dark nights, cold wind, loneliness creeping in. Voices in the void, can't find a friend. Shattered dreams on the floor, closed hearts, closed doors. Strangers passing by, what we fighting for? Let's get together, break the chains, find the light in this endless rain. Eyes wide, empty stare, crying out, who cares? Echoes of our fears, lost in despair. Hold tight, hold strong, we ain't alone for long. Storms may come, but we'll keep on. Let's get together, break the chains, find the light in this endless rain. Shattered dreams on the floor, closed hearts, closed doors. Strangers passing by, what we fighting for? Let's get together, break the chains, find the light in this endless rain. Eyes wide, empty stare, crying out, who cares? Echoes of our fears, lost in despair. Hold tight, hold strong, we ain't alone for long. Storms may come, but we'll keep on. In the darkness, I sit alone, dreams drift by. Whispers in the silence, your face clear as sky. Every night the reel turns, pictures of you, words unspoken, memories fresh like dew. Street lights flicker, shadows dance across the walls. Loneliness echoes in these empty halls. I reach out my hand, but touch only air. The laughter lingers, reminds me you were there. I dream about you every night, lost in memories never right. Long for moments that slipped away. Time stands still, wish I could stay. Raindrops tapping on the window pane, each drop a reminder of my own pain. Got your smile locked deep inside the mind, in a maze of dreams, nowhere we can find. Moonlight casts a ghostly glow around. In the night, your name's a haunting sound. Wake up cold, the sheets all tangled round. Heartbeats, lost the love never found. I dream about you every night, lost in memories never right. Long for moments that slipped away. Time stands still, wish I could stay. Moonlight cast a ghostly glow around. In the night, your name's a haunting sound. Wake up cold, the sheets all tangled round. Heartbeats, lost the love never found. Clocks ticking, slow grind, eyes fixed on the skyline. Heartbeats in the shadows, chasing dreams of long ago. Mountains high, spirits low, footsteps on the empty road. Echoes in my hollow chest, longing for a vague past. 1,000 years of waiting, 1,000 tears of fading. In the dark I cry out loud for a future never found. Daylight breaks but doesn't heal wounds that time refuses to seal. Night falls cold under the moon, hopes and fears in the gloom. Memories searching for a place in the sun. Doesn't heal wounds that time refuses to seal. Night falls cold under the moon, hopes and fears in the gloom. Memories fade but scars remain. Silence screams inside the brain. In this battle lost and won, searching for a place in the sun.
City lights flashing bright, no end. Every face a memory I can't defend. Only shadows where we used to roam. Now I'm wandering through this broken home. Whispers in the dark haunt my mind. Ghosts of promises we left behind. Emptiness is a friend that stays close. In the silence I hear your echo most. Better off alone, this road I roam. No more fight lost in your eyes, tangled in lies, can't find my way out this maze. Heart beats heavy, thoughts turn hazy, screaming for your name in the dark. Shadows on the wall, echoes in the hall, chasing down memories left behind. Mind's a battlefield, whispers cut like steel, lost in the storm of your touch. Crazy for you, lost and confused, hearts ablaze, burning to lose. Crazy for you, breaking the rules, drowning in this madness we choose. Nights drag on cold and drawn, stars fade away in your absence. Voices silent, fears run violent, loneliness your cruel disguise. Dreams shadow, pieces scattered, holding on to what remains. Haunted by the ghost of your laughter, twisted in this relentless pain. Crazy for you, lost and confused, hearts ablaze, burning to lose. Crazy for you, breaking the rules, drowning in this madness we choose. Crazy for you, lost and confused, hearts ablaze, burning to lose. Crazy for you, breaking the rules, drowning in this madness we choose. Ooh. Nights drag on cold and drawn, stars fade away in your absence. Voices silent, fears run violent, loneliness your cruel disguise. Best of my love fading low, skyline cracked, echoes moan. Silent whispers, shadow grow. Where did we lose control? Moonlight pale against our fight, tangled dreams in endless night. Is it wrong or is it right? Heartbeats hidden out of sight. Rest of my life up and through, empty spaces filled with blue. Time betrayed what we knew, looking back, searching for truth.
of my love gone away. Shadows dance where loved ones play. Hope and fear start to fray.